Hey guys, welcome back to another video vlog. I'm actually filming on my phone. I don't know, I just can't bother to hold my camera everywhere. I literally don't like holding a bag, so I'm literally just going like this. I'm going to a Maybelline event and they have their new mascara and I think some brow products out as well. But yeah, I went to the bus stop waiting for the bus and it was actually coming, and then I realised, like, wait, my ID, I always bring my French ID card with me and I couldn't find it, and then I went back looking for it and it was in my bedroom. Typical. But yeah, earlier on I was filming this look, like just in a rush, get ready with me, because I was just in a rush all day. And the repairman for our ventilator on top of the cooker, it's called a hob, I think that's what it's called. But yeah, he came in and I had like all the filming set up in the kitchen and everything, and he was just watching me. Oh my god, he was so weirded out. But I was in the rush, you know, you have to do what you got to do. So I just continued filming. It was a bit awkward, but hey ho. Anyways, I'm gonna go get the bus now. Guys, I just got to the event. It's drinks. I just did a little boomerang where I jumped into the pillows. This is the outcome. I was literally jumping in this ball pit doing like a boomerang. I'm literally sweating, like I can't even now. I just left the event. They gave me like a little goodie bag. I just want to go by Superdrug quickly and get some bits. I wanted to get like the Maybelline highlighter. So yeah, I'm just trying to find my way back home. But yeah, I met so many like YouTubers and bloggers. It was crazy, oh my god. I'm finally home, guys. I didn't end up going to Superdrug because I just couldn't be bothered. It was too far and I couldn't bother to walk. But I just wanted to share what I got in the goodie bag. This is the goodie bag. See it. Given these leaflets. Is that Gigi Hadid? Is it Gigi Hadid? But yeah, they have these new shades in the matte ink lip colour liquid lipsticks. They're actually so good because I tried it in a recent tutorial that I filmed, which will be up very soon, and they're actually really good. And they came out with these nice brownie nudes. But this one, the number 75, oh my god, it's right there. But anyways, I'll use it in a video soon, you guys will see it. But it's like really, really pretty. And they had another peachy colour, but I think it's too light. I think it was called Poet. And then they have the Total Temptation brow... What is this? Brow definer. And this is so cool. Like, I love the idea. It's like the Anastasia brow definer, but in a diamond shape. And it's a little tiny spoolie to get right in your brows. But this is the shade Blonde, so I'm going to keep this for a giveaway, and I might purchase my colour very soon. I might go tomorrow and get some because it's actually really good. But the thing that I'm most excited about is this new mascara. You guys know how I am about mascaras. And apparently this is infused with coconut. It says it lengthens, volumizes and conditions, so that's kind of cool. It's got coconut infused in it. So yeah, I think that's it for today. Can you believe, guys, I have like 3 videos pre-filmed so I can revise and stuff. I'm so proud of myself. That's so hard to do, you don't even know. But I'm still trying to get the hang of like going to these events and stuff. But I think that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna go out sometime next week and I'll keep the vlog and maybe add some footage, which I'll add now basically. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so today is now Friday. Literally today's been one of those days where I did nothing. Stayed in my pajamas all day. Lily! Lily! What are you doing? What are you doing, Lily? I'm always like that with her. But anyways, today I'm making carbonara. I swear I'm always making... Huh? I swear I'm always making pasta for some reason, but I'm just putting... I'm sorry to all you vegetarians out there, but I'm just putting the lardon. I don't know if it's in English. Lardons. This is what the food is looking like. Oh no! Why is it doing that? Who's that little puppy? You're so beautiful, aren't you? You're so pretty. Hey! I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna follow you. Hey, 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 hey. I always like annoy her. Just let me get away from her. Get away. Get away. Get away. I'm not even like poking her that hard, but she's a good cat. She won't even bite me, even if she's pissed off. You're so British guy. You're so... Oh. She's the funny one. She likes to admire from a distance. Look what they did to my wallpaper, man. I swear down. It's time for me to put the pasta in. I don't know. I think I'm gonna put this one. I'm gonna have to make this one now. I don't even know if 500 grams is enough. Take some of this stuff and I just spritz it in there so the pasta doesn't like get all sticky in there. I'm just putting some double cream. I'm gonna put 2 like this. Really, we still got the Christmas decoration. I think that's the last of it though. Hello, what are you doing over there? I just forgot to show you guys the pasta. This is what it looks like. It has settled a bit, but yeah, it's really, really yummy. I put 2 raw eggs, red egg yolks in it as well. But I completely forgot, but I was just making some sugar wax because my arms, they're so damn hairy. You see them hairy arms, guys? That needs to get rid of. And my armpits is a whole other story. It's so funny, like hair removal videos are like, I feel like they're so popular because people want to see how much other people have hair, like how much hair other people have and how they get rid of it. So I feel like that's why people like to watch it. Like I'm always watching hair removal videos. But when I did my shaving video, I never thought it would get so much attention. And yesterday I was reading through my comments and some of you said, Jenna watched your video, and I was like, I just didn't pay attention to it because I was just like, who's Jenna? And then some of you were saying Jenna Marbles linked you in her description box, and I was like, no way. And so she posted a video of her shaving her face, and I just can't believe she even watched my video. That's so embarrassing. Oh my god. I can officially say that Jenna Marbles has blessed me. But yeah, she's just a really cool YouTuber. She's been on YouTube for years. Like, she's one of the old school ones that I used to watch. I love watching her with her hamster. I feel like that's when I was watching her a lot, when she first got her little hamster. I think it was hamster or gerbil. I think it was more gerbil. But I used to watch her way back when I used to watch Prank versus Prank and all that. BF versus GF. I don't really watch them anymore, but it's just kind of cool, you know? It's just weird and I don't know, it's just nice, you know, and bit random, but it's alright, it's all good. Yeah, I think that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna go remove my armpit hair and my arm hair. Such weird. So today is I don't even know what day it is though. It's Wednesday, and I'm going to Nina's. I look like crap, but I don't care. I'm just going to Nina's. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. Maybe you can hear me through this mic. But yeah, I just thought I'd vlog a bit today. Guys, I'm just at Nina's house, finally. Oh my god. Yeah.
This is the, I swear, man.
I use the shower gel of that, you know.
The face, oh my god.
Okay, I'm gonna buy it.
Buy it, it's so good.
Does it make your skin dry though?
No, it's for hydrating your skin.
Let me show it. Guys, she's saying that I need to buy this.
Yeah, it's so good. Oh,
you guys see it? But I used it. I actually used the shower gel. This has plant extract. The shower gel has cucumber extract and it smells so nice.
Really? Oh, I use
Like
it
really fresh.
It doesn't like dry out my skin. I'm gonna piss myself.
Go pee. Do you know I was telling them basically on the bus, yeah, my lips were dry and I was going like this.
Yeah.
And you know when you go like that, it goes like, but
Oh,
proper loud.
Okay, can you tell me this?
But anyways, yeah, it was so embarrassing because probably people thought I farted on the bus or something. But yeah, Nina got me a gift. She didn't have to, but she got me a highlighter because she knows I'm obsessed. So I thought, why not show you guys? So she got me this Glow Fusion powder highlighter. Packaging is really pretty. Let me see. Watched it right now and it's actually really pretty. Let me see. It literally feels like wet, but then it goes as a highlighter. Look at that, guys. The lighting's awful. I barely touched the powder, you know. Dang. Yeah, I made her get really productive. She's cleaning the house, and I'm just sitting here.
No.
But yeah, I'm so comfy. She's giving me a quilt and everything. But we're just waiting for our food. But yeah, we're just chilling. This is like my favourite thing to do.
If my day is lost, I'm gonna cry.
We're gonna head home. No, I'm gonna head home now, guys. Do you know I've been trying the ordinary creams? They're quite nice.
Really?
Yeah. So awkward. Why are you? The lighting's so good here.
Yeah.
Bye, guys. I'll see you later. So today is Thursday, and
I look like a right mess, so I'm not going to film myself, but I did get this massive package from EX1, and it says you may want to film this unboxing, so why not? So it comes in pills. I think this is like a foundation bottle. Wait, it says hit me baby, I'm a peanut. Oh, so funny.
So it says that they're launching on the 17th of January at Boots, which is kind of cool. So now you can get it everywhere. So in the box, there's some foundations that they kindly sent me, and these little sponges. I think there's more in the box. I saw this sweet. Anything blue I need to taste. The blue sweet is good, but honestly, this is so cute. It's humongous. Goodness. I also got a Sand and Sky Brilliant Skin Detoxifying Brightening Clay Mask. I've seen this a lot on Instagram. So guys, it's now like, I don't know, 9 PM now. I'm in my bed. I just got home from the cinema not long ago. I bought some Nando's. I'm gonna eat some Nando's. I haven't eaten Nando's. I bought the chocolate cake as well. But I just went to cinema with my sister to watch The Greatest Showman, and it's such a good film. I mean, it's not like the bestest film, but it's just a film that makes you smile, makes you happy, motivates you. I don't know why, but I don't know. I really liked it, and the songs. I just love the songs. So I wanted to get up, you know, start dancing, you know, with them, but I didn't. My sister was so into it. Like, she was like bobbing her head. She was like really into it. But yeah, I'm gonna stop the vlog here now. I don't know how long this vlog is gonna be. I don't know how much footage I have, but it's all on my phone, so I'm gonna see if this works out. But yeah, let me know if you like vlogs, if you like this one where I cramp up a lot of days, or do you prefer just daily ones. But yeah, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.